guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 products that I've been so obsessed with lately that does not break the bank, but give you a beautiful, flawless makeup. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is my foundation. One of the questions that I get asked all the time, especially when I'm working, like for example, today I'm going to work right after I'm done with this video. The question that I get asked all the time is, what foundation are you using? And guys, the foundation that I'm using will blow your mind. It really will. My favorite drugstore foundation is the Revolution IRL, and I use 2 colors. Today I am using the IRL. The color is 13.2. Most of the times I use a 13.5, but today I'm using a 13.2. The second thing that I'm obsessed with is the Morphe. It's a pomade. It's the brow. It's like a brow gel, really. I've been obsessed with this. I'm loving this. And I know like the color that I have on right now is a little bit darker than I would love for it to be. And honestly, I can tone that down, but I'm not going to, because I do love it looking just a little bit dark because my hair right now is dark. But when I get my hair colored, I'm going to have to change from this color because this will be too dark. But I'm loving this. It stays all day long. It does not move. You can sweat and it still stay in place. I love this stuff. And it's cheap. The third thing is the bronzer from NYX. I am obsessed with these bronzers. I love it. They look really good on your skin. Honestly, I wish when it comes to warmer tone, NYX is good. If you're more fair, do the Milani powdered bronzers. Those are really pretty on more fairer skin. But this is my favorite lately. The next one that I've been obsessed with as well, but very surprised, is the Essence Flawless Skin Trio. This stuff is really good, guys. I have it on right now. Actually, every product that I'm showing you guys is what's on my face right now. I've been so obsessed with this stuff. Listen, it has so many colors. It has lilac, it has a peach, and it has a pink. No, a pink, or is it a yellow? A yellow. A peach, and yellow, and a lilac. I haven't tried the yellow. I used to always use a yellow. Then I jumped to using a pink, which I fell in love with. Well, now I'm obsessed with a lilac. Well, the lilac is what I'm using out of this palette, and it looks really pretty. I love it. And it works. It sets good. It doesn't make your makeup crease, your concealer crease. If you're using a hydrating concealer, the one that I use is very hydrating. And I will not use any other concealer. I will not use a drugstore concealer. I will use a high-end concealer all the time, because I have fine lines and I'm almost 40, and I gotta make sure this face doesn't look old. So I make sure my concealers always look good. This, like I said, back to what I was telling you guys, this stuff is amazing. So if you're looking for a powder to set under your eyes and you don't want to spend as much money like for the Laura Mercier or any of those high-end powders, this is one that you need to include in your makeup kit. My final product that I've been obsessed with lately is actually my Dibs blush. I do love their bronzer, but I didn't want to put too much high-end product in here, so I just chose one. But I have this on right now on my skin. It looks so pretty. I love the glow that it gives my skin. But the reason why I love this is because even though it's like, I think it's like 30 bucks, but if you think about it, you can get 3 blushes out of this one product. You can use the darker color or the lighter shade, or you can mix it together to get a shade. So you get 1, 2, 3 uses out of this one blush. And you can even use this as an eyeshadow because I have done that before. Guys, this stuff is amazing. I do love this blush. All right, guys, those are my top 5 obsessions right now. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.